What's up, YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Today I want to make a video about a medium skin fade. This right here is a very basic, straight to the point haircut. As you can see, I'm using my cordless Wahl detailers. This is the detachable version and adjustable version. Alright, so what I'm pretty much going to do is take the number 3, as you can see, and after I balled it out the bottom, I'm going to just go ahead and flick, alright, just to kind of shape the head. And this customer kind of going for the boxer look. He had a lot of hair on his head, so this is kind of like a total transformation video. Like I said, it's straight, like I always say, it's straight to the point. Very, very basic haircut. I'm not really gonna do much with the sideburns. The client said he wanted to grow his beard out. I asked him, did he want to shape it? He said no. So I really don't have a final picture of this haircut, but you can kind of see where I'm going based off the video. Like I said, I'm just shaping it. Still got that number 3 guard on. I think I got it all the way open too, by the way. Alright, so I did the other side, and I'm just fast forwarding here to no guard. And I'm actually just trying to level off the top. Like I said, he wanted a box look, so the top is pretty much boxed up. All I'm doing is shaping the head, the hair. A lot of hair on his head, but this is a pretty basic haircut, straight to the point haircut. And I'm not trying to make the haircut perfect right now. All I'm just trying to do is go for that box look right now before I start to do some more work to the sides. Okay, now I got on the, what is that, the 1.5 blade. And I'm using that 1.5 blade to just shape the sides. Take off a lot of that bulk. So all I'm trying to do is get the hair to, it's just trying to shape the hair to where it fits the haircut. And I chose 1.5 just for no particular reason, just because it was a convenient blade. Okay, now I got no blade on, and I'm going up about an inch. Okay, so this is where I get started with the regular haircut. Okay, so I'm going up about an inch, then I'm going to go back down and fade that bottom line out. All right, so I got the lever open, it went up about an inch. Now I'm coming back with the lever closed all the way. Okay. Close the lever, erase that bottom line. Okay. As you can see, that bottom line is erased now. Okay. The next step is to take the 1 guard and put that on there and fade up with the 1 guard. Like I said, very basic and straight up. Oh, not the 1 guard. I used the 1/2 guard. Closed it all the way. Bam. And I'm going to use this to kind of erase the bottom line out. And the middle line in between where I opened the blade up all the way and when I had the blade closed all the way. So I'm kind of right there at the halfway mark. Okay. And at this point, you guys could just kind of follow the video. It's pretty much basic, straight to the point. You can see the transition starting to come in. Now I got my one guard on, and I'm pretty much opened all the way. Fading up a little higher, up into that 1.5 guard that I had on before. So if you pay attention, you'll notice that it's starting to transition really good back into that 1.5 guard. And knowing me, I'm probably gonna go back and try to transition it all the way in again. Okay. Like I said, I do not have the final picture of this video, but I know you're starting to see that fade transition in a little bit. So like I said, this is pretty basic, straight to the point haircut. I went from a big 3 guard just to shape the hair, then came back down and took the guard off, shaped it top, made it flat, came back with the 1.5, down to a no guard, then to a half guard, then to a 1 guard. Still at the 1 guard right now. Now I'm at the 2 guard. So I actually skipped the 1.5 because I had already did the 1.5 in the beginning. So it makes sense. So sometimes you can skip a step as long as you don't miss out where you came from. You just kind of go back into it. And like I said, if this doesn't make sense to you, I always say to stop, hit the pause button, go back, and just kind of look at what I did before, and it'll kind of always guide you through what I did. And so, like I said, it's pretty simple, pretty basic. And I'm gonna use this to get a lot of bulk out, that number 2 guard. All right. Still got that 2 guard on. Now at this point, got that 1 guard on, 1.5 guard on, and now I'm making it transition to a 1.5 to a 2. I know this is kind of confusing, but like I said, if you have any issues following where I just came from or what I just did, go ahead and hit pause and scroll back and take a look at what I did and why I did it. So now I had skipped the 1.5. I started off with the 1.5 and then I skipped it, and then now I'm going back to the 1.5. Okay. So like I said, this is probably about it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward the rest of this hairline and give you a little shape up of how I'm styling and shaping the haircut. Pretty much fast forwarding through this. If you guys got any questions, go ahead and comment below. Hit like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Once again, shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to everybody that's been showing this channel love. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on Instagram. That's custom_made_cuts. Peace, and I'll see y'all soon.